The best app for voiceover on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best app for voiceover. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. This is the home page. Now go to the top here and search for voice recorder like this, and you will have many options, but the best one for the voiceover is this one. It's called Easy Voice Recorder. It's very easy to use and fast. There is many options on this app as you can see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.